June kicking off with stocks near record highs, but there are some growing concerns beneath the surface that could impact consumers even more: inflation and mortgage rates in the weeks ahead. Tensions are escalating again in the Middle East, and negotiations between the US and Iran have stalled. Headlines are suggesting that Iran has again threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz, and this is a critical shipping route for global oil supplies. At the same time, ongoing military activity involving Israel and Lebanon continues to add uncertainty to our energy markets. As a result, oil prices remain elevated, and some analysts have warned that supply disruptions could push prices significantly higher if conditions worsen. We're already feeling the effects of higher energy costs, and any additional pressure on oil prices could make everyday expenses even more challenging for our households. For mortgage rates, the big event this week is Friday's jobs report. This is often the most important economic report of the month because it gives us a snapshot of the strength of our labor market. If job growth comes in higher than expected, mortgage rates could face more upward pressure. If the report shows signs of a cooling economy, rates could improve. Last week brought some encouraging news. The Fed's preferred inflation measure, known as PCE, came in lower than expected. In plain English, when we look to yesterday, our review mirror told us that inflation appeared to be moving in the right direction, which helped mortgage bonds improve and gave rates a slight boost lower. Today, different story. The question now is whether that momentum that we saw last week can continue. Mortgage bonds have rallied recently, but they're running into a technical resistance level that traders are watching closely. So think of it like a ceiling that the bond market needs to break through in order for rates to continue to improve. We're pushing against that ceiling. While uncertainty can be uncomfortable, it's important to remember that volatility often creates opportunity. We've seen time and time again that periods of market disruption can open doors for buyers who are prepared, sellers who are strategic, and homeowners who have a plan. The biggest opportunities rarely come when everything feels certain. They tend to appear when others are waiting on the sidelines. If you want to discuss the strategy in order to see those opportunities, just give us a call. Have a great week.